use of the computer is, and the word would be 64 bits. So like whenever you see words, it's always in like bits. So it would be 64 bits. Which type of interface allows the user to communicate with the computer system by keying in instructions? So user interface, keying in instructions. So this would be command driven, as you know, you use specific instructions to key in. Okay. A webmaster is important to the company because he/she is A. Responsible for the company's website. Okay, 36. Which of the following is an example of a correctly formatted email address? So lana.happy@net. Okay, so this is, I think that C is the correctly formatted one. You know, for questions like this, if you can't think, just like think of your own email address and how it's formatted. So it would really help you. So it would be C, lana@happy.net. Which of the following types of software should be used for applications that involve repetitive numerical calculations? So repetitive numerical calculations, I think this is the one which separates database and spreadsheet. So it'd be spreadsheet, because you know repetitive, you can like drag the tools to like make it like do the same calculation. Selecting or highlighting a paragraph creates a block. The following formula is located in position B6 of a spreadsheet. Equal B3 plus B4 plus B5. What would be the resulting formula if the initial value was copied to the position located immediately on the left? So on the left of B3 would be A, would be cell like the column A. So it'd be A3 plus A4 plus B5. Since it's like locked, so the $sign basically means that it's locked, so it's an absolute cell reference, so it won't change. In creating a query, a student entered the following criteria for the data field. Is greater than or equal to the 11th of May 2017 and is less than the 14th of May 2017. So this would do from the 11th to the 14th of May 2017. So it would be B. Spreadsheet formulae uses C, values, ranges, or cell addresses. 42. Which of the following buttons can be used to fully justify text? So justify would be D. 43. Which of the following types of charts is not suitable for representing the data above? So country A. So this would not be a pie chart, just cause it's like numerous years. Country A, country B, I'd say a bar chart. Or I'm not sure. I'll think about this again. The field that uniquely identifies a record in a database is called the primary key, a unique key. 45. Which of the following sequences of steps is correct for deleting a field in a database table? So it's a sequence. So choose the delete row. That's not it first. Okay. Open table in design view. Select row. Choose the delete row option. Choose this. So this would be 45B. Because you have to go in design view first. Refers to the following database table. The database table above shows records sorted by, so you're going to see this. Okay. So this would be item number in descending order, because it goes from H to F and then 50 to 40. So then you can see that it's which of the following clearly identifies a hyperlink on an HTML document? So this would be This would be 1 and 2. Which of the following is used for executing HTML code? And this would be a browser. Which security feature offers the least protection to a Word document? And this would be D. Saving as compatible to the app with the appropriate software version. If the formula in cell B8 is copied to the shaded cell C8, then the formula in cell C8 would be equal sum C2 to C6. Item 51 refers to the following algorithm: read A, B. If A is less than B, then print A. Which of the following tasks does the following algorithm perform? So it would read two numbers and print the smaller number. Because if A is less than B, then print A. Or else it would just print B, Which of the following is an example of a conditional construct? So this would be A, if then else. When implementing a program, which of the following steps comes after executing? And this would be compiling. Which of the following is not a high-level programming language? C, Java, Pascal, and this would be assembly. Assembly is low level. Which of the following terms is an invalid variable name? So we know your rules, so it should not start with a numeral, so it would be 55 would be B. The decision box of a program flowchart shows the tests to be carried out. Decision, So what's gonna happen? What are you deciding? A computer programmer is coding an algorithm which calculates a class average for a given exam. He creates a variable called the class_AVG. Which data type should he specify when declaring this variable. It's an average, so there's a high percentage that you could get a decimal, so I would recommend real. So real is the answer. 58 refers to the following algorithm. Ask users to length to width. Which of the following options in the correct order can be used to replace 1, 2, and 3 in the algorithm? So this will be right. No, it would be prompt. 1 would be prompt, users for length, and then you read length width, and then right. So it would be C, prompt, read, write. What is the name given to an identifier that always holds the same value, and this is a constant? Refers to the following algorithm: write, read, vat, write, vat. Which line contains a processing statement? And this would be line 3. This would be line 3. So that's our first video, guys. I'll review the video and see if I made a mistake, and if so, I will comment it down in the comment section. So be sure to check the comment section if I made a mistake, and be sure to subscribe and like the video. This is our first video. I'm the Carib Student Helper. I am looking to do way more videos, so comment which paper you want me to do and I'll do it. And until next time, bye.